In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make plugin for Figma. By the end, you'll have a simple plugin with a button that draws a rectangle on the canvas plus a clear path to test, extend, and publish it. Start inside a Figma file, open the top menu and head to Plugins, then Development, then New Plugin. When Figma asks what kind of plugin you want to create, choose with UI. This gives you a small interface panel and is the easiest way to get started. Give your plugin a clear, memorable name. As soon as you finish, Figma generates a starter project for you. Take a moment to learn the files you just got. First, manifest.json holds your plugin's settings like its name and which files it uses. Next, code.js is the main logic that runs inside Figma. Finally, UI.html defines the plugin's interface, what users see and click. The UI runs in its own context and talks to code.js by sending messages back and forth. Let's build a tiny interface. Open UI.html and add a heading like Create Rectangle and a button labeled Add Box. Below that, include a short script that listens for clicks on the button and uses parent.postMessage to send a plugin message with a type of create box. That message is your trigger. It tells the main code what to do when the button is pressed. Now wire up the behavior in code.js. First, show the interface with Figma, show UI, HTML source. Then listen for messages using figma.ui.onMessage. When you receive one where MSG type equals create box, create a rectangle, resize it to 200 by 100, set a blue solid fill using color values between 0 and 1, and append it to Figma current page. That's your full end-to-end loop. UI click to canvas result. Time to run it. Go to Plugins, then Development, and select your plugin by name. Your UI will appear. Click Add Box, and you should see a rectangle appear instantly on the canvas. If it doesn't, double check the message type string and your onMessage handler. From here, iterate. Change the size or color, save, rerun the plugin, and confirm the results. Small, frequent tests help you spot mistakes quickly. When you're ready to go further, you can expand this foundation to generate UI layouts, rename layers in bulk,